How's it going?
Good, you guys?
Good. You guys all right?
Yeah, we're just trying to help a friend out.
Well, the car looks a little odd. That's why we're here checking on you.
Okay.
With the back window missing and all that, so we're just checking it out to make sure everything's okay.
Gotcha.
Turn around.
No way.
Dispatch 213, foot pursuit, south. Dispatch 213. Gotcha.
No way.
You're under arrest! Greeley police, you need to stop! Dispatch 241. 241, we're running westbound on 59th Avenue through a field. He's trying to steal that car. You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Really perfect. One update.
Stand by. Stop or you will get tased. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hands behind your head. Do not move.
I'll stop him, Mike.
Don't move. Don't move. It's like olden days. I know. We gotta dig. Dude, we're too old for this stuff. I know.